So welcome back everybody. I just thought I'd make a quick video on our new vehicle that we have taken possession of, and it is a 2021 Landcruiser 79 series. So just before I do a walk around on that, I'll just explain why we've gone down that path. We're a family of 5. We have a Jeep JK, but it is very limited on the amount of space and the storage it has with it, so we're limited on what we can take away with us, and we want to do some longer trips coming up in the future. So we had a look around, and anyway, cut a long story short, because it is a very long story, we looked at everything. We decided to go with a dual cab Landcruiser 79 series. So let's just go and have a look at it. So I hope you can see it okay. The sun's in a bit of a funny spot for me this morning. So it's a 2021 Landcruiser 79 series. Then it went up to Superior Engineering in Queensland for their Outback Tourer Kit to go in. Now it's a 4-inch lift, 4-link triangulated rear suspension, obviously you know, track corrected diff, 4-ton GVM upgrade, long arm suspension. It's also got the hyperflex radius arms in the front. But anyway, I'll just have a quick walk around, and then we'll have a closer look at it. So I decided to go with the grid wheels from Infinity. They're a load rated wheel. When you go up to the 4-ton GVM upgrade with a neg 12, if you want a neg 12 wheel, there's not a lot of choice. So anyway, I thought I'd try something different, and I like the look of them actually. I don't mind them. They've got the Maxxis Razors on there, 315s. I've got a Brown Davis long range fuel tank in there. I upgraded the rear shocks to a 2.5 adjustable rebound and dampening. Let's have a crawl underneath here. I hope the light's okay. So overall, I've got to say I'm pretty impressed with the quality of work that Superior do. You can have sort of, I think, any colour you want. They just ask you which colour you want to paint everything, so I just went the silver to match the front flares. I will be getting a tray and canopy on the back, but I'll do a video on that later. So the top arms at the rear are obviously adjustable, so that's all been set correctly from the factory. Nice big solid rear diff. That's great. So don't mind this bit of timber I've got on the back here. I've got to make some mud guards, put some mud flaps down there, because I've got to go down to Victoria and pick up my tray and canopy before I can get it registered. So that's what all that's about. So just ignore that. I've got a Heyman Reese X bar on the back here. I'll put that on. I've done a video for that, so keep an eye out for that. So you get this new exhaust here as part of it, just due to the plumbing around the new cradle that they put in. So we've got a few things to change. We've got a bar coming and side steps, and we'll do a video on that later on as well. Just have a look in here. It's nice. It's good workmanship. I'm very happy with it. So I forgot to mention, it is just the bolt-in. There is the option of a weld-in conversion, but I think they're the same price. I just went the bolt-in, no particular reason. So it's a good job. It's a good kit, you know. It fits around the chassis quite well. Plenty of bolts, plenty of steel. Just try and move the camera around so you can get all different angles. I know when I was making my decision, I looked at everything, and there weren't a lot of videos, you know, on all the sort of nitty-gritty close-ups and stuff and how things are plumbed. And sometimes you sort of want to know a specific thing, you know, how close is this to that, and just little things like that. So if this video can help someone else sort of making the decision, I hope it does. That'll be a good thing. So there we are, it's just a quick walk around. I think it sits nice, but I'll make a few more videos as we go, just on just my experience and you know, the choices I've made. I mean, it's a personal thing, so each to their own, but at the end of the day, everyone's out there to have a good time, I guess. So there we go. So I'll just finish off by saying that my experience with Superior Engineering was top notch. They were really good to deal with. Jeremy and Angus couldn't be more helpful. We kept in touch the whole time, emails, phone calls, and nothing was a problem. They were always more than too happy to help, answer any questions, and really good. This is just my experience. I found that really a nice experience to deal with Superior, and they were really good, really good. So thank you guys, big shout out to you, thank you.